Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming authorization. Never proceed on someone else's credential. Use your phone camera or a trusted QR scanner app to capture the code image, because image quality affects decoding. Once you have permission, open the scanner's export or share function and save the raw text to a note or file. Make sure to isolate this content in a secure app, since the QR might contain sensitive strings like a password or token, and you will handle it carefully. Next, decode and parse the payload while minimizing exposure. Use an offline QR decoder or a local app on your device, because online services can log secrets. Once decoded, inspect the text for common labels such as key equals, PWD, password, or clear delimiters. These indicate where the secret sits. If the payload is a URL, extract query parameters safely and look for token or pass parameters. You should copy only the exact password string to a secure clipboard or password manager. Finally, store and verify. Paste the extracted password into a trusted password manager and add context like the account name and source QR. Then test the login once, because verification ensures you captured the right string. After confirming, delete any exported text files or images from your phone and clear the clipboard to reduce risk. If decoding fails, get a higher resolution scan, reframe lighting, or try a different reputable decoder. These steps resolve most read errors when you have permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.